everyone! In today's video we're going to be unboxing the Potomac Beads Best Bead Box XL. They have a regular size and then they have this one which I love a lot more. It's got a lot more goodies in it. So I'm not going to talk a lot. You guys know the drill. Let's get into unboxing. Okay, so let's open her up and see what's inside. So first we have the description. It says Best Bead Box XL. Fall in love with Potomac exclusives in rich autumn tones to complement the season's latest fashion. Nice. So you can also share your designs. On the back it has the bead happiness, so whatever is inside the box. And then now they just came out with this. It's called Dragon Thread for jewelry making, and it's by Bead Tech. And the thread is designed, it's specifically for beaded jewelry designs. Enjoy being the first Potomac beaders to design with this superior beading thread. It'll be exciting to try out this new thread, as I use, or well, I like to use Fireline, or I also use the, is it 1G for when I'm doing Kumahimo. So I'm excited to try this one out. And then it comes with some beading patterns. So in this one, it has crystal bow bracelet. It looks cute. And then we also have, and then we have the Astral Pendant. That one's cute too. Very nice. And then we have the bonus one. Now this one, for these two, they give you the beads like a kit, so to speak, the kits to make these two pendants, or these two projects, I'm sorry. And then they give you a bonus one that you can, use use your stash to make it. So you've got this extra one, which I really like. It gives you some ideas. So let's see what's inside the box. So as we know, it says old lace. Okay, which one has pearls in it? This one. So it looks like this package goes with the crystal bow bracelet. And like I said, the instructions are super easy to follow. And if you get stumped, which I did in my last box, I got stumped because I'm more of a wire wrapper than I am a beader. I love seed beading and creating necklaces with the seed beads and super duals and all those different beads, but I'm not, I don't have a lot of experience with it. So I did get stuck with my last box, but it was so cool because if you open up here, it says you can see the full-size pattern if you scan here. Watch the video version. See, here it is. Watch the video version of this pattern here. So you can find this on YouTube as well, and it will walk you step by step, which really helped me. And you do end up with some really pretty designs. I have one here. I haven't finished cutting off the threads, or I need to use my thread zapper, but let me just move this to the side so you guys can see how pretty this one is. I made it with my last bead box, Best Bead Box XL. And look at how pretty that is. I don't know, I don't think the camera will do it justice because their beads are so sparkly, and it's just a beautiful, 2-layer necklace. I think it's super cute. And then once you do this, you have the experience and you have the pattern to make more for gifts, for family members, or for yourself, things like that. Especially now with the holidays around the corner, this is perfect. So this is one of the ones I made with the last box. And I have a bracelet, but I have it in my jewelry box because I am enjoying that one. And then this one is for the Astral Pendant. It looks like it has these like C-shaped beads. So it goes, I'm sure it goes with this one. So that is all in it to make this pattern. Now we can see what little extras we got with the box of these. What are these? It says it's Poppy Jasper round 4mm black, round 4mm beads. Let me zoom in. to, hopefully you can see them better. Put those right there. Hopefully it doesn't look, I'm gonna move everything else out of the, so the camera can focus. All right, so these pretty little beads are, it looks like Poppy Jasper. These are pretty. They have like little different colors of brown and red, like a brick red. Let's see. So yeah, those are pretty. Look at this one. It's got like an interesting color and shape to it. And is it single hole? Looks like a double hole. Oh no. Oh no, it's a single hole. These are cute. Then we have some of this. There's 5 millimeters of this dragon thread in green. So we will see. Oh, we got a runaway bead over here that didn't go into the bag. And so we have the green of this, and I'll let you guys know in the next video how it worked out, but this is the dragon thread in green, and they gave us 5 meters. Isn't this cute, this little bobbin? Just a little, looks like it's a little sewing sewing machine bobbin. Very cute idea, especially if you're on the move, if you travel with your projects. That's a great idea, so you don't have to bring the whole spool of thread. Even though I have to have the whole spool because I never know how much I'm gonna need. Ooh, these are pretty. These are Iris Duo Crystal Magic Wine, and they are 7 by 4 millimeters. How pretty are those? Look at that. Look at the colors. The copper, and like orange, almost looks like a little sunset, and then there's some pink that peeks out in there. And they're called Iris Duo, huh? They're like rounded on one side and flat on the other. See, these are beads that I would have never thought, to order because I'm not familiar with them. So, I mean, ask me what you want about wire, but but these I don't know very well. And they're double. Oh yeah, they've got a 2-hole. They're 2-hole beads. These are pretty because you could just put, seed beads on each side, like a 15 O's on each side, and make just a very thin, delicate, pretty bracelet. I like these. That's about as much as my creativity goes right now with beading, this kind of beading. And these are crystal round 4 millimeter and smoky topaz AB. So look how pretty these are. These are always great accents. Even for wire wrapping, these are perfect too. To just add some accents to wire wrapping, or even stringing, all sorts of stuff. Those are really pretty. Perfect for the fall. And these opaque, they are Potomac crystal bicones and crimson opaque 4 millimeter. They're pretty too. Like opaque beads as well. I'm more towards the sparkly crystal, but these are really pretty as well. Very nice. These are check faceted round beads in jet. They are also 4 millimeter. Using these in like kumihimo or Russian spiral, they would be really pretty as well. These look interesting. They're tublet bead. They're crystal etched sunset full. Huh. Tublet. Never heard of these either. Oh my goodness. I'm learning so much. Look at that. Are they metal? I don't know. No, they look like glass. It's just the way they're etched. Isn't that cool? Oh. They do look like a little sunset, don't they? Those would look really pretty in some fall earrings, I think. Then we have these itty bitty, these are what, 2s? Potomac Crystal round beads in jet 2mm. So they're just like the 4s, but in teeny tiny. Then they gave us 2 leverback ear wires and 18mm. This is 99.9% silver plated brass. So they are silver plated. There you go. I guess you want to see them, huh? Not taking them out of the bag because we all know what leverback earrings look like, but it looks like they're very good quality. And again, we've got button shanks, 12mm, also premium, 99.9% silver plated. Oh, so you can turn certain beads into buttons. That's cool. They've got the little round thing. Huh. Very interesting. I'm gonna take them all out. But these are Miyuki seed beads in Duracoat galvanized. These are 11/0s. These are really nice when you just need, again, some little gold accents. I like these. They're really good quality. I use a lot of Toho, but Miyuki is really good as well. These are super pretty. They're Potomac Crystal Briolettes in light Tanza. They're 6 by 12mm. See, now these I can use in wire wrapping. You know, they have the little hole on the top, like a, like a briolet, and then you can just wrap the top all with wire, and then just use them as really pretty drops, wire wrap drops. These are super pretty. I love the color of this. Never heard of light Tanza. Would it be Tanzanite? I'm assuming, and it's cut off. I don't know. That's a beautiful color though. And last, but certainly not least, these are disc dual metallic violet in 6mm. These look like little pills. They are so perfectly made though. Look at that. The shape. They are just, there's like, yeah. Did you see that? They're just absolutely perfect. Doing this in a seed bead design would make them look just gorgeous. And they are double, they're dual, disc dual. So they do have their 2-hole bead. I don't know if it'll, my camera's being fussy today. I don't know what's going on. But it focuses and then it doesn't focus, and it's not having a good day, I think. So I don't know if you could see it there. See how it has two little holes right there. So these are the last one, metallic violet, of the extras that you get in the box, which all of them are super nice. You don't get ever something that would be, that you think, oh, well, that was left over. These are really, really nice beads. So this is the Potomac Beads Best Bead Box XL. This one, like I said, is Autumn Path, and this box is for the month of October. Let me know what you guys think. Do you subscribe? Do you like it? Or have you subscribed before? This is the second box I get in this size, and I really, really liked it. And now I'm excited to go and start these projects. And I will show you, as always, on my Instagram, which is Cardinal Beads and More. I'll post up there the finished projects from this box. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Welcome, and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.